So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will see one very important interview question. So what is the difference between append method and extend method in the Python? So we will understand first theoretical part. Later we will show some hands-on, right? So let's start here. So append method is that is used to add a single element or a single item at the end of the list. So means you can add a single element at a same time, but at the end of the list, right? And another property that it can takes or it can execute one even operation. So it is very fast compared to the extend method because extend method take a lot of time based on the what the iterable object hold means the length of the iterable object like list or tuples, right? And another property that append has a constant time complexity, like it had a big often because of it add a single element at the same time, right? So that's why let's understand extend method. So extend method is used to add the iterable object. Like suppose you have a list, in the list you have the 10 elements. It will add the 10 element at the same time at the end of the list, right? And after that, it had it will take more time compared to the append method because if a list or tuples hold more value, then it will take time, right? And after that, it had the time complexity of the big O of k. So where the k is the length of the list or the tuples. So let's do some demo here, right? So suppose we have the list element here like 20, 30, 45, 19, and 97. Okay, and we want to add element at the end of the list. So suppose we have the k, in the k we have the whole 100 value, and we want to append. Let's dot append dot k. Let's print it. So what will happen? So in the list we have 20, 30, 45, 70, 90, 97, right? When we are appending element 100, it will be add at the end of the list. Means after 97, it will be added. Okay. So let's say so 100 is added, right? Suppose and suppose you have one kind of old list. Suppose in the old list you have some value like uh, 200 and 300 and 400. Okay, and you want to add this list to ejecting list, so and you want to use loop there. So iterating or making loop, you can add the element, but at a time you can add only one element. So just for I in old list, iterate this list, uh, list dot append I, and now print. So what will be output? So from 20 to 100, this will be there, and 200, 300, or 400 will also will be added here. So print list. So if you say 200, 300, 400 is also coming. So and let's understand extend methods. So suppose, so for the time saving, I have copying this list, and suppose you have one list like lst1. Suppose you have uh, 500, 600, and 700. Okay, and height 800, and you want to extend lst to lst1. So lst, that is the uh, lst dot x use extend method and pass this lst1 variable. So what will be output print? So what will happen? So in the lst list, that value of lst will be added at the end of the this lst variable, right? So print lst. So, so what you observe here? So initially in the append method we have a single element, but in the extend method you are passing iterable object, or in the iterable object you can pass list or the tuples. In the list you could have multiple element or value. In the tuples you could hold multiple value, right? So this is the means major difference in the append and the extend method. And one very sometime interview confused about, suppose you have uh, this uh, list value and some like you have the string list, right? Suppose you have data engineer, right? So what will be output? So you are expecting the output will be 20, 30, 45, 70 and 90, 97, comma data engineer. But in case of the extend method it will be not same, it will be uh, split each character with a comma. So let's see here, list dot extend str list print st, sorry. So that if you see that each character is splitted here, so this is the means one good point. So sometimes interview confuse it. So that's all for this video. If this video really helpful, please do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.